Hi kindergartners, Mrs. Anderson here. Mrs. Prevey is our video taper. We're going to continue on with math. We are in my room today. And we're going to do Unit 4, Lesson 6, comparing groups of numbers and greater than and less than. Something brand new. We're going to learn something fun and new about an alligator. I hope you're ready. I want you to notice that I put 3 blue circles and 2 red circles. We're going to figure out which one I have more of. You probably know it's the blue, but do you know how many more? We're going to find out. We lay them or set them right next to each other or right above, and then we draw a line if it's a math paper. And you could see that we have how many more blues? 1 more. If it's easier for you, you can circle that. And here's the equation. 3 is greater than 2. Here's a good way to remember that. That kind of looks like an alligator mouth. Alligator, alligator, sitting in the swamp. How many pizzas do you want to chomp? Pretend these numbers are pizzas. You want to chomp the most because that alligator is very hungry and his mouth is facing the 3. Right, I am going to erase that one. We're going to practice a few more. I'm going to write the equation over here on the board. 3 is greater than 2. The next one we're going to do, we're going to have 6 reds and we're going to have 4 blues. It's best if you line them up fairly close. Take whatever tool you're using. I matched them up. You can kind of push these aside. Circle them. And you can see what's the bigger number. The red has more. 6 is greater than 4. That alligator wants to eat the 6. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to write down the numbers first because I first had 4 blues and then I had 7 reds. I'm keeping them in the order of which one I had first and which one I put up second. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I match them up. And here's the extras. If I need to, I can circle them. And I can see that I have 3 extras. Which number is greater than 4 or 7? 7 is greater than. So that alligator mouth has to go towards the 7. I do 1 more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll leave it at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write down my numbers. 5 was the first one. and 8 was the second, leaving room for my sign. I match them up. And I can circle those extras. Ooh, looks like the same as the last one. Which one is greater, the red or the blue? I have more blues, so it's greater than. Alligator, alligator, sitting in the swamp. How many pizzas do you want to chomp? 8 pizzas. You can do this at home with socks. You can sort your socks if you want to, like colored socks and white socks. Match them up and play the alligators, sing the alligator song. You can do it with shoes, anything you want. We have a worksheet right here, what you're going to do with your family. And it is Unit 4, Lesson 6, page 239 and 240. I'm going to show you the first few, and I'm going to use the whiteboard marker. I put it in my sleeve. The first one, I think they're flowers. They lined them up like this. Oh, let me start again. They counted how many there were. There's 5. And then they counted how many there were down below. There's 3. They lined them up. And then they circled the extras. Here's what they did. Instead of putting the greater than and less sign, what do you hear at the beginning of greater? You heard G. So they put a G, a G, and you get to use uppercase letter this time for greater. And for the 3, which was less, they put an L. If you wanted to try a little bit more, you could write 5 is greater than 3, somewhere there. That would get you practice to make that alligator mouth. I'm going to show you one more. I'm going to use the black marker. It seems to be working better. These are pencils, so I have to count my pencils. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write my best 3 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I match them up. And if I want to, I can circle the extras, or I can just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that 3 is less and 9 is greater than. So I wrote that there, and I have to write the equation if I want to. 3 is less than 9, because that alligator mouth wants to touch the 9. Thanks, boys and girls. I'm happy that you could watch this video. Thank you. Bye.